Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant stuck at preparing download screen. All right, let's begin. First, right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Then go to the Details tab and search for Riot related processes. Right click each Riot process and select End Task to close them completely, then exit Task Manager. Next, right click on the Riot client and open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK, then launch the Riot client again. Log in using your account credentials and open Valorant. Click your profile icon and go to Settings under Valorant Settings. Locate Automatic Updates and uncheck it if enabled. Then click Repair and select Start Repair to fix any corrupted files. Once the repair is complete, enable automatic updates again. Now relaunch Valorant and try updating the game. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant stuck at preparing download screen. That's it for this video. Thanks.